Okay, you should definitely know this for the SAT. What is the product of the two solutions of 5x squared plus 4x plus 11 is equal to 0? So there's a shortcut in finding the product of the solutions of a quadratic, and that is with the formula c over a. And what do these variables represent? C is just the constant, the number without any variable, and a is the coefficient in front of x squared. So in this case, our c value is 11 and our a value is 5, and that is the answer.
You see these questions a lot on the SAT, and this happens to a lot of smart students, and they'll be like, well, I'm taking AP Calc and Computer Algebra 2. Algebra 1 is super easy. I've gotten like A pluses in all those classes, and I don't need to study for the SAT. But here's the problem. What would be their first instinct as they see that problem? They're probably going to try to use perhaps the quadratic equation or maybe factor it. They may get the answer right, but think about it. How much time would that take to actually solve those problems? Perhaps it would take 5 minutes or 4 minutes. That time is very precious. That's the time that they could use on questions that would generally take them a lot of time. Those tougher questions. For a question like this, if they knew they could only do C over A, they'll be done within 10 seconds. C over A to find the product of solutions, and then negative B over A to find the sum of solutions. This is one of the problems. The SAT is full of tricks and shortcuts like this, and if you're not ready for those, well, you're going to fall for those every single time. If you want to master the hardest SAT math questions before a test day, message me the word hard right now, and I'll send you the link to my YouTube videos breaking down the 5 toughest problems from the March SAT.